Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing very well at your home. In previous period, we have talked about understanding what we read, then vocabulary and spellings, and nouns and describing words. They are called the adjectives. Today, we are going to talk about homophones. So, what is homophones? Okay, so homophones are words that sound the same. They have different meanings and may be spelled differently. So, homophones क्या है? So, homophones are words that sound the same. जिनका साउंड उच्चारण समान होता है, जिनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन समान होता है. They have different meanings and may be spelled differently. हाँ, ये हो सकता है कि उनका मीनिंग अलग हो और उनका स्पेलिंग भी कुछ अलग हो, बट उनका उच्चारण, उनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन समान होगा. ऐसे शब्दों को हम होमोफोन्स कहते हैं. नाउ रीड आउट लाउड, हमें इसे जोर से पढ़ना है. द पेयर्स ऑफ दीज होमोफोन्स इन द फर्स्ट कॉलम एंड देन नाउ फाइंड द मीनिंग्स ऑफ ईच वर्ड इन द सेकंड कॉलम. ओके, तो हमें पहले कॉलम में होमोफोन्स की पेयर दी है, इन्हें हमें पढ़ना है और उसके बाद में उस स्पेलिंग और वर्ड्स का करेक्ट मीनिंग क्या है, सही मीनिंग क्या है, उसे हमें यहाँ पर मैच करना है. सो सी, द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज अलाउड. मीन्स थोड़ा हम जो जैसा डेली बोलते हैं अलाउड, जो कि सुनने लायक हो. सो अलाउड, speak normally. So the option is F. I have already written the answer. So allowed means F, speak normally. See, the spelling of allowed is ALOUD. Now we have the another allowed. Allowed, ALLOWED means जोर से. Okay, so the option is किसी को परमिशन देना. लेट पीपल डू समथिंग व्हेन दे आस्क इफ दे कैन डू इट. मतलब लोग जब आपसे पूछते हैं कि वे क्या कर सकते हैं, तो लोगों को हाँ कहना या उसकी परमिशन देना मीन्स अलाउड करना. ओके, सो ऑप्शन इज एच. देन नंबर 3, वेयर, VEAR. यस, वेयर. It's a very common word. It's an animal found in the jungle. Yes, an animal that sometimes lives in the mountains, that is bear, BEAR. So option is K. Now number 4 is where, but the spelling is different. BARE, where. Okay, so it means hardly, khali, empty. We can say it's empty. So where, the meaning of where is, yes, L. I have already mentioned L. So its meaning is empty. Now number 5, blue. Blue is what the wind does. जो हवा बहती है तो उसको हम ब्लू कहते हैं. So past form of blow, past form of blow is blue, what the wind does. Next, another homophone, blue. Sound the same, but the spellings are different. BLUE. Obviously, it's a color. Who knows the cloudless sky color? Color of the cloudless sky. Option A. Then number 7, deer. Yes, it's again a very common word. Whom we call our dear ones, those whom we love. Yes, this is what you call someone you love. So the option is I. Deer, yes, it's an animal which have the antlers. An animal that has antlers, heron. Then number 9, fur. Fur, FIR, fur. Fur it's a type of tree found in the cold places. So the name of a tree that grows in cold places, it looks like just a Christmas tree, that is called fir tree. Okay, so the answer is D. Then FUR, again it's fur, FUR fur, but it's the कोट ऑफ एन एनिमल, जो पशुओं के शरीर पर बाल होते हैं स्किन पर, उसे फर कहते हैं. ओके, सो इट्स द हेयरी कोट ऑफ एन एनिमल. सो द ऑप्शन इज एन. देन ग्रेट, ग्रेट GRATE, ग्रेट मीन्स किसी चीज को, सब्जी को छीलना या स्क्रैप करना. Okay, so to scrape or rub to make small pieces out of vegetables. So that is grate. Option is M. Then grate is again common word. Great, GREAT is great, mahan, very big. So large in size. So meaning of GREAT, great, is large in size. Now then number 13, made, MADE, made means banana, to prepare something, कुछ बनाना. And made is the past tense of make. Past form of make, to prepare something, means made, MADE. But another word homophone is made, but its spelling is different, and that is MAID. Yes, what is the meaning of this made? So MAID, made, means a person who helps with housework. So someone who helps with housework, घर में काम करने वाली को maid कहते हैं. So these are the pairs of homophones with their meanings. So I hope you have understood it well. Now please, dear students, complete this activity into your notebook as a homework. Okay, as a homework after reading it and understanding it properly. Okay, thank you.